By default, Google Docs, when you're typing text, is going to use the font Arial, but you are going to want to change the font styles to the fonts of your choice. Well, on top here, we have the font button. When you click there, you're going to see different fonts that you can work with. You can scroll down also here, you're going to see all these different fonts that are here. And the good thing is when you bring the mouse on top of these little buttons, you can see other variations of the same font. So for instance, Oswald, you have Oswald light, extra light, and so on and so forth. You can also say maybe bold. Now, for that font to be applied to the text, you have to select the text that you want to apply that style to, that font to. So when you come here, we were dealing with Oswald. Let's find it. It's Oswald is here, and we want to use maybe bold. You can see that now we have the Oswald bold on this title. Sometimes also you want to work with different fonts. Maybe the fonts that you have here, they are not okay with you. You can also look for other fonts online. Now these fonts, they are free to use. You can use them. All you have to do is you can just come here and select the fonts that you want to use, and they're going to show here under the My Fonts section. And you can just also you can like sort these by groups. You can say all, or maybe you can say display only, and this is going to show you display fonts. And so you can work with these, and when you're done selecting the fonts that you want to add to the fonts that you already have, you can just click on OK. Now when you come here, you're going to see that you have these fonts that are added to your list of fonts that are on this software. This is simply how you can add fonts to your group of fonts that you already have here. If these are not okay, you can simply look for other fonts under the More Fonts option. And here you're going to see all these different fonts that you can work with. You have the Aston, for instance. When you add this one, I click on OK here. Let's find it from here. Oh, it's also applied there. Aston. We've applied the Aston, which means it's here. Aston is there on top, as you can see, because it starts with A, it's going to be the first option. So this is simply how you can add more fonts under the font styles here. So you just click on more options, then you can add even more fonts to this list of fonts that are here. In the case that the fonts that you have here, they are not okay with you. So that's how you add fonts to your Google Docs document. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, like this video, subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.